Hello everybody! This week is Bird Week and today I'm going to show you how to make binoculars out of toilet paper tubes. With this activity you can make them, and possibly if the weather changes you can go outside and look for birds in your backyard. So we're going to get started. First I put two little holes at the top of the toilet paper tubes. You can use a hole puncher, or you can use like just something sharp to poke it through. This obviously would have to be done by the parents. And then so you can use glue, or today I have tape. You can use tape to tape them together. So you're just going to take the tape and put it all the way around. And then you're going to want to take some sort of string. Today I have just a black string. You're going to poke it through, and the kids can poke it through, or if they can't, you can help them out with that. And then just tie a knot and pull it back through. And then you can cut off the excess, because you don't want to see string in your binoculars. You want to see birds. And then to the other side as well. I'm making this harder than it looks. And then, so there's your binoculars. And then the fun part is you can color them. Today I'm using markers, but you can use paints or crayons, or whatever you have on hand will work. And they can put whatever designs they want. I'm just going to draw a couple little flowers. But they can draw whatever they want. You can draw a bird or feathers, or whatever you want. And there you have it. You can have binoculars and wear them outside and look for the birds. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this activity. I hope you all have a great week. Bye.